Alright guys, good morning everybody. So today is a good day. We're gonna start fixing my baby right here. My dad painted the Escalade. I don't know if you guys remember. There was a big damage right there. And now he said, alright Alex, let's get this beast back to drive. Woo! Can't wait. Alright you guys, let's connect the battery. This is not battery from I mean it was from this car, but I have a small battery, a lightweight battery. Yep, perfect. Let's see if it's gonna start. It's so much wind that it blew up this thing up. Hopefully it starts. Yeah, it should start. Yeah, boy. By itself. I don't know why it's not working. Anyways. Perfect. All right. All right, she's so dirty, but guys, check this out. We got some Ignite yesterday, racing fuel for that baby. Hopefully it's gonna run good. Let me show you guys before I start fixing it. Let me show you what we have up in here. Carbon fiber door cards. Carbon fiber custom made sunroof. Delete. No dashboard, nothing. We weighed the car at 2,900 pounds with full methanol and like a lot of gas in there. Carbon fiber stuff. Fiberglass. 3.5-inch fat ass exhaust. This piece I put right here so the air will not grab the bumper. Mickey Thompson tires. You gonna go? Alright, brother. See you later. I'm tuned by Pure Evil Tuning. Really good tuner. Am I into? Okay, alright. Carbon fiber panels. Guys, you're gonna ask me, Alex, what the hell are you doing it? How can you drive so got it, bro? I don't care. I have an Escalade right there. I have a Mercedes S550 outside at the house. I have comfortable cars. I don't like comfortable car as a race car. A race car supposed to be gutted. A race car supposed to be fast. I took 700 pounds of this car. Can you imagine how much power like that freed up for me? It's insane amount. This is custom made by Daily Driven E36. Fiberglass hood. We also cut everything inside because it's kind of light, it's kind of heavy, to be honest. Alright, so my guys trying to race again. They don't ever give up. They're trying to beat each other so bad. Whatever. It's just in 55.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, hey, look at the big bush, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go on the truck and check for the police, okay?
Right,
I'm gonna go on one.
Bully's here. You might go with me.
Who's bully?
Bully.
Oh, he's here?
He's coming.
Okay. Woo! Woohoo! A cop?
His shit blew.
Are you serious? Oil?
There was some hella white smoke.
Oh snap! Hey bro, his car blew. His car blew. Yes. No, his.
Manual?
Yes. A hella white smoke and everything. Let's go. You make a U-turn then. We're driving back to the shop. The guy Kotoman is gonna get him right now. I just came by and my buddy here with the broken ass axle came by, all gutted out. Damn, you don't have no plastics, bro. You consider to be gutted. Anyways, this guy just broke the axle yesterday. He's been waiting for us here already all day, right? Just kidding, bro. Alright, let's go inside. Alright. I'll let the slow guys see the fast car right now. Just kidding. Alright guys, so my dad hanged it up like that on top, and on the bottom we just took it and put it on the side right here. So all we gotta do basically is we got all the space we need for the turbos right here. Alright, and for today we're done. We installed this part right here. I'm gonna clean the car right now and wash it. We installed this part right here, see? That looks clean. Right, the first bearing looks good. He just took it out. I forgot to record it, but the first bearing looked really good. We're gonna see each one right now if they're good. If they're good, I'm gonna be super happy. Alright guys, so my dad checked out all the rod bearings. They're all good. One of them had something weird going on, but it was still all good. He said, don't even worry about that one. Guys, I had my surgery done yesterday on my leg. Check this out. I had my varicose removed. Look at that. Look at that cut right there. Yeah, bro. That hurts so bad, guys. So I left yesterday. I couldn't record anything. My dad is gonna do the swab by himself. I can barely walk. They told me to walk 4 times a day, 10 minutes every time. So I'm just walking around here, guys. Hi, guys. So the huge difference is right here. Also here is way bigger. The stage 4. This is the stage 4, and this is the stage 2. Look at the wheel difference. Wow. Left is stage 4. This is a Flow Max Plus. The wheel is way bigger. Everything just looks way more massive on the Flow Max Plus. Alright guys, you want to see a stock turbo? This is a stock turbo right here. Let's see a stock turbo compared to stage 4 turbo. Look at this. even stage 4 turbos is way bigger. So whoever talks shit saying that, oh, you got same freaking same exhaust thing, housing thing as stock turbos, it's not. It's way smaller. Way smaller. It even looks smaller. And now you got this baby right here. Look at that. Stock. Ooh, that's way bigger. Stage 4s. A little bit bigger than stock, but way smaller though still. And look at this stock turbo wheel. Little baby. Let's see the stage 4. Let's see the Flow Max Plus. Garbage. Which one is that? Alright, these stalls are installed. They're monsters, guys. See my name right there? Alex. Alex. Custom wheel. That is work. The ET Street R's look kind of good actually. I thought I had to change them, but I know they have to be changed soon because it gets kind of dry. I need to get a fresh set soon, so I'm gonna order through Kyle another set of Mickey Thompson ET Street R's because it's not gonna hook with the stage 4 turbos. I was at 16 pounds of PSI on the tires, and it actually it slipped. The car went sideways just a little bit on 100 miles an hour with the ET Street R's on 27 pounds of boost on stage 4 turbos. So I cannot imagine what it will do with these new turbos. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so it turns out Dad didn't do anything today at all because he was helping out Mom. And basically, I'm not a mechanic, but these turbos were much easier to install than the previous turbos. Dad did not even have any problems. He installed them actually really quick. I'm surprised. And also remember, I was telling you guys that he couldn't fit this part in there. It fit really easy actually. So never mind about that. It didn't fit. Everything fit perfectly. You don't have to do anything to it. I'm not sure if you have to bend this line because we didn't bend any line this time. But for the stage 4 turbos, you did have to bend just a little bit, but honestly, there's almost no bend at all. My dad just basically kind of pushed it like this. I'm not sure about this time because the pipes were already all bent. So everything looks great. Turbo looks so big. My dad already installed this, so all he has to do now, just start putting it back together. I bought a new line right here. It's not kinked. It looks really good in here, so don't worry. It's not gonna do anything. I bought a new line for this one because I had this one in here. I had this one in here, and this actually doesn't look so good. So this one's garbage. And guys, but I gotta tell you, this turbos looks so good. I just want to stay here and clean it right now, make it look super clean. Also, the story with the rod bearings. We did not do any rod bearings because I seen some weird stuff with the car. The car kind of knocked for a little bit. That's why I parked this car. And I thought we had to do the rod bearings. I didn't want to mess it up. Also, I didn't have any time to fix the car. My business, I just didn't have any time to do this car. And the finances were just not too crazy over there. And plus, my dad didn't want to do it too. So basically, he took down the pan. I already showed it to you guys. And he checked all the rod bearings. They all look great. So basically, we didn't even have to do the rod bearings. But since we took the car apart, I ordered the Flow Max Plus. We installed them right now. Since I know the rod bearings are perfect now we can just put new oil in there. I know I showed you guys what I bought for the car. Ignite red. There's 4 more coming. 4 more of this coming. I also got some antifreeze coolant. I got some M1 methanol, 2 of them, and we got some AMSOIL signature series 0W40. I'm going to flush the first oil with the cheaper oil, and then I'm just gonna put some new oil of this one just to make sure. That's it, guys. The video is over. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. I'm going to post a video earlier this time. I'm gonna post it on Wednesday or Thursday, just because the car is gonna be running already. It's supposed to be running already that time, and I will try to retune it by that time as well. I don't think this car needs a retune because I already had the big turbos in there. These turbos are just a little bit bigger, so all I'm gonna do is put smaller methanol bunks and just do a couple logs for my tuner. Hopefully Pure Evil Tuning Jason, he will tell me that it looks good. Then we're gonna this time, guys, I don't want to push the car too much. I'm not boosting too much. I think I'm gonna go 24-25 pounds of boost max. Maybe for some crazy runs we'll go 26 pounds of boost, but honestly I want to be on the safe side. Last time on the stage 4s it made 637 wheel horsepower at 25 pounds of boost with the low timing. So basically if you're gonna be on 25-26 pounds of boost, it's gonna be around 670 wheel horsepower with the ignite and the good methanol over there. So with 670 wheel horsepower it will be more than enough. With 2900 pound car it will be more than enough. This Corvette came by, I already showed it to you guys. It's my buddy, he wants to make it shinier. Damn, I almost fell down. Alright guys, you have a great day. Thank you so much. Subscribe and check out the whole video. I'm gonna post the video on Thursday or Wednesday. I'm gonna record everything, how the car started, how it sounds. I'm gonna record some pulls. I'm gonna try to tune it by that time, or maybe just run a little bit lower boost. I might have even a race or two for you guys with some fast car, but that's it for today, guys. There's nothing to show you. Turbos are not finished yet. I want to drop a video. I wanted to show you guys the difference between stage 4 and dynamic autowerx Flow Max Plus. And that's it. See you guys later.